Can I
बोलो
can I
मैम।
complete the sentence?
अने अने
क्या सर?
बोलो। मैम बोल बोल के मेरा इज्जत का फायदा करो मेरा। हर बार बोलते हैं मैम।
सर वो कटोरी का सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा होता है तो बॉयलेंट फोर्स ज्यादा होता है उस पर, तो वो फ्लोट करती है।
कचोरी का फोर्स ज्यादा होता है इसलिए ब्लॉइंट फोर्स ज्यादा होता है। वाह, ये कौन सा कंसेप्ट है?
नहीं, फ्लैट, उसका एरिया, उसका सरफेस फ्लैट होता है
ओके।
आयन नील से।
Anna, you're mixing physics with chemistry.
The density is here
They
also.
are related only.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, fine.
तो सिंपल, कीप द पॉइंट फोकस टू डेंसिटी। करेक्ट ना? डेंसिटी पे लिमिटेड हो पॉइंट, ठीक है? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, it because of density of nail will be more than the katori.
यस सर।
Right? Sometimes plate will float because surface area is more. Right? It's widespread. Second, empty plastic bottle dash on water.
Floats.
Floats on water. Correct. And the bottle filled with water dash because
Sink.
Sinks.
Sinks. I think so. Sinks.
Sir, in Titanic, this only
Sink
happened.
only.
The water went into the ship and it sank.
okay, the bottle filled with water because any reason anyone? Yeah, correct. Titanic is the reason. Anyone else?
Sir, it will sink because the plastic bottle it is filled with water only. So density of the bottle plus the density of water against density of water, density of bottle and water will win, and then it will sink. Like it will be more. That's why it will sink.
Okay, so density is more. Correct ना? उसमें पानी होगा ना उसमें? Correct. तो उसमें पानी भी है और प्लास्टिक भी है। यहाँ पर क्या ऐसे पानी है, तो कौन ज्यादा वजनदार है इसमें?
Sir, plastic and pani, water.
Plastic and what? They are more heavy, correct? Therefore, they will sink.
Sir, so it will sink because the density will be higher.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, plastic bottle density is less than water if it was. On the other hand, plastic bottle filled with water or sand, it sinks. Why? Because
Yes, sir.
density would be more.
More.
Okay. पहले वाले इसमें सिर्फ एयर है, इसमें सब कुछ है। करेक्ट ना? एनीवन एल्स कुछ और आंसर देना किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, can I try?
Okay, try.
सर, वो बॉटल में हमने प्लास्टिक के बॉटल में पानी भरा, तो पानी का और बाहर के पानी का और अंदर के पानी का दोनों का डेंसिटी सेम होगा, पर अंदर के पानी में वो प्लास्टिक के बॉटल में भरा हुआ है, इसलिए उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक बॉटल का भी डेंसिटी ऐड हो जाता है, इसीलिए वो मतलब ज्यादा हो जाता है पानी के डेंसिटी से।
You are just telling
Right,
it in
right,
Hindi.
correct. So yeah, very good. So it is combination of both, right now. Plastic bottle also and water also.
Water.
दोनों का combination. Okay. Why bottle filled? The bottle filled with water sank, because filled bottle could displace less amount of water compared to its weight. Right? Okay. ज्यादा वाटर डिस्प्लेस नहीं करेगा वो। समझ में आ रहा है मेरी बात?
Yes, sir.
क्या है, जो फील्ड बॉटल है ना, फील्ड बॉटल को आप डालोगे तो सिर्फ कितना वाटर डिस्प्लेस करेगा? जितना वो उसका सरफेस है उतना। समझे? But whereas you try to put empty bottle, now what happens? जितना bottle अंदर जाते जा रहा है उतना water displace होते जा रहा है, correct? But filled bottle you keep how much inside also it has water and everywhere around also it has. So how much water is displacing? Just the layer of that water. जितना उसका surface है उतना ही water displace करेगा. Getting? Clear or no?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so bottle filled with water क्या लिखोगे? Sank. Okay. The aluminum foil dashed when it was spread out. What will happen? Floated
Float.
or sank.
Sir, float.
Float.
Sir, its density will be same, but it will be spread its density will be spread out. So the buoyant force, like it will be able to push it upwards more easily.
Don't bring physics here. No buoyant force will require here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Keep discussion very simple. Buoyant force का discussion physics में करना हो. और confusion बढ़ाओगे आप इससे वो सब लाके यहाँ पर. So aluminum foil floated, correct, when it was spread out. Correct, na? It was floated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what happens when pressed tightly into a ball? It will
Sink.
ball it sink. Why?
Sir, that is because all its density is packed together into like an object with less surface area.
Yeah, very good. So density is more and less surface area. So density is equal to mass per unit volume.
Mass upon volume.
Mass upon volume.
Mass upon volume. Correct. So why this may have
Mass
happened?
upon volume.
So now this is physics, na? Mass upon volume and all.
क्या now?
Sir, mass upon volume, it is more into physics.
More into physics. Okay. But this formula we are going to study here also. That's
Okay,
what
sir.
is the name of it.
Sir, because the chapter is also containing formulas.
Okay, right, it has. But this is the more of our like, correct, na? This may happen because aluminum foil spread out could displace more water compared to
They are
its
interconnected.
weight. Okay. Aluminum foil can spread out, could displace more water compared to its weight. Okay.
Yes.
That's the reason. ये वाला किया किसी ने?
So that only I have done partially, but I have not done a piece of ice.
Sir, the piece of ice.
Sir, a piece of ice will float.
Yes, sir. Piece of ice will float.
Yes.
Correct.
You need many time in ice water.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you.
They have very cold water, and there are ice cubes floating on it.
Okay, fine. I'll give you 1 minute. Correct. Quickly, you think over this whole. कोई कुछ बोलेगा नहीं 1 minute तक. Read it properly and think what is happening over here. Okay. Quick.
Sir, there is background noise from me.
We're done.
हो गया? 1 minute is not over.
सर बहुत लोगों का हो गया है.
Mega, could you, yeah.
Sir, muted है.
Background noise कहाँ से आ रहा है?
सर Mihika sir.
Sir, Mihika.
I think it's a fan's noise. Sir, can I tell for the aluminium foil, please?
पहला वाला
The
बताओ, पहला वाला.
packaging that
For
one.
all.
Sir, can I?
Okay, first, everyone keep their hands down. I'll say 3, 2, 1. Whoever raises hand, he will speak first. Okay. 3, 2, and out. Atmaja is out. Anjali is also out. 3, 2, and Anay is also, Anay and Palash are out. Out. You cannot speak now. Wait, one बोला नहीं फिर भी क्यों हाथ ऊपर लगे. Anay हाथ नीचे करो. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Only one. ठीक है दीपांशु.
Yay.
Dipanshu, you tell the first paragraph, and
Sir, all three of them.
and you tell the second. Second means soap and ice. You tell Ayan.
Okay, sir. Sir, aluminium foil, the first one open and spread out, it will float.
Okay, good.
For the second one, it will sink. Press tightly into a ball, it will sink.
Okay.
And third one, in a cup-like shape, it will sink. Sorry, float.
Okay. Okay, good. In a cup-like shape, it will float, ना क्योंकि उसका spread हो गया अभी.
Yeah.
Ball वो चले जाएगा अंदर. Open and spread.
Sir, in a cup-like shape, it is open and spread out. Just like the shape is a little bit different.
Correct. Right. Good. Yeah, that's what has happened. That's how.
So I have only ice left.
Soap cake. Ayan, तुम बताओ soap cake का. Ayan ने हाथ ऊपर किया था. Okay, Mihika can tell.
Sir, it will sink.
Why?
Sir, because the density of that is more than water. I have done this experiment.
Same.
It always any soap sinks.
No. Soap cake. Okay, it will sink. Soap cake on a plastic plate.
I don't know that.
प्लास्टिक केक का क्या होगा?
So can I tell?
बोलो.
Sir, it will float.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, it will sink. My bad, sir.
It will sink.
अरे but it has that ना. सोप भी है ना ऊपर.
Yes, sir. The soap cake will float. I mean, why am I saying float, sir? Sir, the soap cake will sink, and with the plastic plate, that it will also sink.
It will also sink. Float नहीं करेगा वो.
No.
Sir, it will float.
Because of the soap cake, a plastic plate will sink.
Okay.
It will float.
Sir, because plastic plate is though the soap.
Sir, only the plastic plate will float.
Only the plastic plate will float.
But with the soap cake, it will sink.
Okay, it will sink. Very good. Correct. And piece of ice? Surely it will.
Float.
Yes. Surely it will float. Correct. Okay. Good. ये तो आप लोग को घर पे करने के लिए दिया था मैंने.
हाँ sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Now all of you do one thing. Okay. You just read this section. Everyone able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just, I'll give you a minute. Okay. You just read this section. Okay. I have some parcel at the door. I have to receive it. So meanwhile, you just read it. I'll just be back in a minute. Don't speak anything. तुम लोग बड़े शैतान हो नहीं? हाँ बोलो।
Sir, can I tell the first one?
Sir, can I tell?
बड़ा बदमाशी करते हो ना तुम चैट पे।
Sir, I was done, that's why.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, Dipanshu,
Sir,
Dipanshu
Anay
is
speaking, can I
Can
tell?
you please tell the answer for the question?
Sir, can I tell? Yes.
10 से ज्यादा मैसेज
Can I
भेजो,
tell?
जिसने भी 10 से ज्यादा मैसेज भेजे उसको माइनस मार्किंग है। उसको क्विज में नो अलाउड आज टुडे।
Sir.
लिंक में सबको इंडिविजुअल भेजना, ठीक है? हाँ बोलो। यस, रेज योर हैंड। ओके, यस यज्ञ टेल।
Sir, when you put salt in the water's density gets high, then the egg and the egg starts to float.
Okay, right, very good. Correct. So when you woke up in the morning, you boil eggs. Put some salt in water. ऐसे ही डालोगे तो क्या होगा? नीचे चले जाएगा. By mistake, you put too much salt in the water. The eggs at the bottom of pot come up a little and start to float in water. Take some water in a glass. Put a lemon in it. Now keep putting salt in the water. Half a spoon at a time. Were you able to float your lemon in water? होगा क्या lemon float?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lemon will float.
किया है.
Why?
Sir,
Because
मैंने किया है.
Will float.
Sir,
Sir,
if you
मैंने
put a
किया है.
lemon in, sir, if you put a lemon in a river, then it will sink. But if you put it in the sea, then it will float.
okay, if you put it in the sea, then it will float.
Sir, because it is salt water. Seas are salt water, that's why. And rivers are fresh water. Like they don't have any salt.
Correct. Rivers are.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So recently I was in a place in Pune, only 50 kilometers from here, in a very freshwater area there. And all of you have been there or no, I don't know. Near Khadakwasla Dam. Correct, no? There is.
Sir, there is.
Sir, I've been there.
Sir, I've been there many times.
Also been there many times. Sir, while going to Sivagar, we go from that road only.
Ah, right, correct.
Sir,
Yes.
I've been there when we went to NDA.
NDA?
Yeah, National Defense Academy.
Yeah. Good.
My mama works there, na? That's why we went to saw the Republic Parade.
Okay. So there you will find a lot of fresh water. Correct, no? Not in this river which is there nearby you. Muda and Mutha Nadi. Correct, no? It is all become Nala.
Track. It is very dirty.
Yeah. So rivers in Pune are very, they are no longer rivers now. They are become not Nala. Correct, na? Right.
Sir, because of us.
Because of you. ये तो आपको बोलना चाहिए. ठीक है. Okay, so it will not float, you know. And which is that river, sea in the world where people float?
Sir, Dead Sea.
Dead Sea.
Dead Sea.
That's it.
Yeah, correct.
The Dead Sea.
This is Dead Sea. So all oceans and seas have salty water, but the saltiest of all is which one?
Dead.
The Dead Sea.
Dead Sea, sir.
And how many grams of water it is put? Salt is put in 1 liter.
Sir, I don't know.
Sir, if you even went into that, if you even went into the Dead Sea, then you would literally like float
That's what we
without any effort.
correct. So much is there, you know, because its density has increased.
There are lots of high densities there, sir.
Sir, will iron float in the Dead Sea?
Yes.
I don't think so. Iron is very, very dense.
Iron, I don't know about iron. Iron will surely float.
Sir, he can, I'll think, float in the normal sea. Sir, Anay will also float. Sir, Anay is also Sukda and Barracuda like me.
No.
Ayan, you might even
Then you-
Ayan, you might even hover above the water.
No. Anay will not float because he speaks a lot, therefore he will not float. As soon as he will start floating, he will start speaking and water will go in his mouth. Correct, na? Hello.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Sir, but he's more short-tempered than me, sir.
I think you are more short-tempered.
No, sir.
No, sir, not at all.
He's shouting at everyone when they're playing.
Palash shouts
When
and
someone does not
Dipanshu and
do his
Ojas
wish, then he gets
shouts.
angry.
You shout
Iron nail
once.
can float.
Shaurya
You are less
screams.
than one. Your temper is less than 1 centimeter.
Done, beta. What will happen? Both Ayan and Anay both will float on water. Okay? Both will float. Correct. Have you tasted such salty water? Has anyone tasted? Dead Sea में कोई गया है क्या?
Sir, there will be lots of iodine inside it, like.
Sir, if we have by mistakenly eaten poisoned food, we have to drink water with lots of salts, so we can vomit and means.
Yeah, it's so bitter that that we vomit, and then that poison food also comes out.
Okay, fine.
I hate vomiting.
It is good.
Sometimes you feel
Only when you have eaten.
Beto,
Arey, only when you have eaten a
Okay,
poisoned
you
food.
two
Beto.
stop, please.
Anay, Dipanshu.
Sir, Ayan also.
Arey, don't take my name, sir. Sir, I'm keeping quiet, sir, now.
सब लोग एक ही मणि के माला है. एक ही माला की मणि है सब लोग. सब बदमाश है. ठीक है? It was very bitter. Interesting. If a person does not know how to swim, you would not drown in this sea. Okay. Anyone is being there in Dead Sea?
No, sir.
Where is it?
In Europe.
In Europe.
I guess in somewhere in Saudi or Europe, I guess.
It is another inland sea, I think.
No. It's not near Europe. Yes.
Europe and
Yes.
Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, not exactly there also.
Yeah. I know. I remember now. I guess.
Remember मतलब क्या?
Wow, sir.
I'll just show you where it is exactly.
Sir, you can see very properly from Google Earth.
Sir, it is
Ma'am,
a
is
place near
Black Sea
Jordan.
Dead Sea? And Black Sea is Dead Sea?
No, Black Sea is different. It is near China somewhere.
Black Sea is side of Turkey.
Black Sea and China. किती लांब Black
Yeah,
Sea.
Black Sea is here. Black Sea is
Black
here.
Sea is that thing.
Black Sea is here.
At the Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania,
Black Sea is here.
and Georgia coast.
Dipanshu.
Here Black Sea.
Dipanshu.
Yes, sir.
Call your mother. I will talk to you. Should I?
Sorry, sir.
Anay?
No, sir. Sorry.
Palash?
Yes, sir, I can see it in my map. I have over here.
Should I talk to your mother now? हाँ सब चुप बैठेंगे ना तो म्यूट कर दूंगा सबको ओके
Sorry, sir.
Black Sea is there on top.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, and this is the Dead Sea here.
Sir, but that is a Red Sea, na?
Red Sea is Red Sea.
Red Sea is only Red Sea, I guess.
Sir, it's near something canal. There is a like
Suez
Panama
Canal.
Canal.
Suez
हाँ
Canal.
Suez Canal. Suez Canal. Near Suez Canal. Here. Yemen and Oman.
That is Gulf of Aden.
It is Suez Canal. Means forward.
But I think Red Sea and Dead Sea are all same only. Correct, no?
There I won't relate now. Does it seem different? Because the Red Sea is red in color only.
No. Yes, I think so.
Yeah. I think they're different, Are. They're different.
Yes, sir.
Or this
Sir,
is
it
near
is showing the
Arabia,
Dead Sea
kya?
is the
Sir, this
lake.
is Arabia.
No, but where is then Red Sea?
No, that's Africa.
Sir, it is showing the Dead Sea is a lake.
Sir, it is near the
Red
Persian
Sea,
Gulf.
I searched the same.
Yes.
Sir, just that Dead Sea is actually the same for Red Sea.
Sir, Persian Gulf. Sir, Persian, it is the Persian Gulf.
Sir, Dead Sea.
Yes.
The Dead Sea, sir. I told that it is the Dead Sea.
Near Jerusalem.
I searched it. And then it told me actually
Where
It
is
is the
it?
Mediterranean Sea.
Top.
Yeah, Dead Sea and Red Sea are
We
different.
commute na. That's background noise coming from.
Yeah, it's not in Europe then. It's in Asia only. Okay, it's kind of public place. People come there to have entertainment.
Public beach.
So what is our Dead Sea public beach? That is some destination.
Destination, right?
Sir, actually, it's not a beach. It's a lake. What a big lake.
Red Sea is attached to the Red Sea.
Caspian Sea is
Salt
also big
water
lake
lake.
only.
No,
Okay,
it
fine.
is a
Done now.
Caspian Sea is a lake.
Understood now where it is?
lake.
It's
Best,
still
uh,
floats
Red
in water
Sea
as if flying down.
to Red
Remember,
Sea.
just like our lemon floats in salty water, similarly this will also happen. This will also float on the salty water. Okay? Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt anyone has?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ठीक है अयान बड़ा हिंदी बोल रहे हो क्या हो गया अचानक से
टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा
वो पता है तुम टाइम पास के लिए बैठे हो इधर ठीक है इज इट क्लियर नाउ यस
Yes, sir.
okay what dissolved and what did not who will read
Sir, can I please, can I, sir? I never get chances.
every time you get chance
I
read
never had chance, not even in school.
read पढ़ो जल्दी
Maja.
Huh. Can I read?
हाँ पढ़ो
Huh. Once on Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his aunt to make his favorite shakapuri,
शंकर वाला
a sweet dish. Shankarpara.
Shankar Pali. Hatusman, I think.
What is Shankarpara? Okay.
अरे शंकरपाळे
Shankar Pali, you eat na.
शंकरपाळे
Let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you. Why don't you help me? Take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix it well. Mix it till it dissolves. Hamid thought, let me finish this work fast. Then I will watch TV. Suggest some ways to Hamid for quickly dissolving sugar.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Who?
Sir, Dipanshu.
Anyone else?
Sir, can I tell Yajna?
Okay, Yadna tell.
Sir, if we take hot water, then it will dissolve faster.
Yeah, very good. Hot water will help us to dissolve faster. Then you can quickly do it. Okay. Anything else? Yes, Ayan.
No, sir, I don't want to say anything.
Anirudh Tawargeri. Tawargeri. Anirudh. Anirudh. Okay, Atmaja, you speak.
Sir, when we boil the water, this sugar will get dissolved easily.
Okay. That's what he told na before also.
I don't think we should boil water because it will evaporate only if we boil it.
Don't take it till 100 degrees Celsius.
Only some temperature, little temperature.
Okay, anyhow you do it, just
65 around.
temperature of water. It will start dissolving. So more is the temperature, more easily it dissolves in water. Correct, na? Like that it happens.
Sir, or we can make the powder of it and then dissolve.
We'll make powder of it. Okay, powder also it will do help quickly. Very good. Powder बनाओ, temperature बढ़ाओ. और क्या कर सकते हो? Yes.
Sir, you could. I think that's not an answer, but so like grind it and make it the sugar into very fine particles. Then it will dissolve very easy. Like,
That's what he told, na?
and stir it also in
Okay,
hot
very
water.
good. Stir it.
Sir, because salt dissolves gets dissolved.
Sir,
very
heat the
easily.
water.
It is very.
Yeah. So 2-3 ways we came across and stir it.
Sir, but powdering the sugar will also take that much time what we need
Sir.
for stirring the normal sugar in the normal water.
Powdered sugar will dissolve fast.
But sir, I said powdering the sugar, not directly mixing the powder sugar.
Sir,
First you
can I
have to
tell?
powder it, na?
And we are powdering and then dissolving.
Oh, sir, can I tell?
It will happen early, right? Na? It will dissolve fast, correct? Na? It will do correct.
Sir, can
Yes, dissolving will happen early, but powdering needs time, na?
That is all right.
Not that much
You can
time.
get directly also.
If you use a mortar and pestle, you can do it very fast.
Then heating the water is also takes 2-3 minutes.
Yeah. What about
Till that we can just stir and mix. Sir, we can mix it.
Get, na?
Sir, say.
PT sagar you can get in market directly.
Sir, that mortar and pestle, like there is a like bowl made of marble or something.
Khalbatta.
Kalbatta.
Nah.
Khalbatta.
Then you,
Sir, it will also happen in a mixer.
yeah.
There also.
Mixer?
Good.
Yes, it will happen.
Let's chutney bun.
Yeah, it will turn into chutney.
No, my mother
Paste.
makes it in the mixer. It happens.
Then
When we
you
make the
grind-
besan ka laddu.
But grinding is easier.
Yeah.
So then you grind the sugar and turn it into powder. Then you put it in the water, like the hot water, and then you stir it. Then it will happen much easier.
Sir, I don't have too much patience for it to dissolve only. I
Okay.
never wait for it to dissolve only, sir.
Fine. So 4 or 5 ways we find out. First was that you make it powder. Another is you increase the temperature. Another is you stir.
Sir, we can melt.
Melt. No, that's what is increasing temperature. Another thing is that what you could do is you might have seen sometimes that what people do generally is that they take 2 glasses और ऐसा ऐसा करते हो.
Sir, water quantity it slowly decreases.
Yes, sir. I know that. I also did once. But all the water Drowned away. Sorry.
Drowned away?
You also obey. You quickly write this down.
Anay, are you so small that you will get drowned in 2 glasses of water?
Sir, you could like cover the glass with like some sheet and then you could shake it.
That is also helpful, correct. Right, that's also helpful. Okay.
Not paper.
Yeah, इसको लिखा क्या था आपने? इसको लिख लिया क्या?
So just wait a minute.
Yeah, write it fast. लिख लो फटाफट.
Hello, is anyone there?
Yes.
Where did sir go?
Sir, can you hear
Sir,
us?
are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir is in the meeting. Yeah.
Sir said that you went to do something.
Yes, we have to write this whole paragraph.
I only took screenshot. Why don't we have to write this anyways?
Yes, no.
Yeah.
For studying.
Arey, but.
You want to pass the exam or not?
Arey, but.
Yes or no?
Arey, yes.
So?
And you don't want to.
I want to, that is why I am
Obviously he
writing.
wants to.
That is why I am writing. You don't
Everyone
want to
wants.
write. So you are not writing.
सब जंगली की तरफ बिहेव कर रहे हैं कि नहीं? पलाश, अनय, अयन और दिवान.
सर,
बोलो.
सर हमें ये पूरा ऐसा लिखना है क्या? ये
इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लिखो.
मतलब
dissolve in water, like you can write all also. नहीं तो screenshot निकाल लो.
I am going to make.
अभी चुप बैठो सब लोग. बड़बड़ करते तो पागल की तरह. ठीक है, हो गया लिख के आपका? मछली मार्केट में भी अच्छा माहौल होता है. Okay, so we'll move on to next now. Okay, now it's experiment time. Correct. चुप बैठो. ब्रेक जो भी मांग रहा है उसको बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगा मैं ब्रेक. 1 घंटे के बाद ब्रेक मिलता है. अभी 1 घंटा हुआ नहीं, फिर ब्रेक रोना चालू कर देता हूँ. Okay, make groups of 4 friends. Okay. Make group of 4 friends. For this one, you will need 4 to 5 glasses or bowls. अभी 4 friends तो साथ में नहीं आ सकते, लेकिन आप घर पे इसको करो, ठीक है? You will need 4 to 5 glasses or, correct, glasses or bowls. ठीक है, अलग अलग bowls ले लो आप उसमें. Bowls, spoons, water and the things listed in the table. Correct. तो जो भी चीजें दी है उसको आप ले लो. Take some water in each glass. Right. Take some water in each क्लास, हर क्लास में बच्चों पानी भर दो. Now trying to dissolve one thing in one glass. You have to do observe what happens and note in the table. You know? सबसे पहला चीज सॉल्ट, क्या ये पानी में डिजोल्व होगा, है ना? और 2 मिनट के बाद क्या हुआ ये अचानक देखो. क्या करना है आपको? डिजोल्व करने की कोशिश करना है. सॉइल क्या ही डिजोल्व होगा, चॉक पाउडर क्या ही डिजोल्व होगा, 1 स्पून मिल्क क्या ही डिजोल्व होगा, ऑयल क्या ये डिजोल्व होगा. पहले तो टेबल निकाल लो अच्छे से. हो गया? क्या क्या हो रहा है बताओ. फर्स्ट कौन बताएगा? सॉल्ट का. सॉल्ट का कौन बताएगा? Whoever will raise hand, सबने अपना अपना हाथ नीचे करना है. नीचे करो अपना हाथ. ओके. दीपांशु सो गए क्या? ओके, तो हर एक के लिए मैं हाथ उठाने के लिए बोलूंगा. ओके. One who has answered before, he will not answer second time. So 3, 2, and 1. Okay. मिहिका चौधरी. यस. क्या हुआ सॉल्ट का बता. बोलो.
Sir, it would dissolve and after 2 minutes the water would stay like that only.
What will happen? Salt and water get mixed together. Water becomes transparent. Water will become transparent. You write down there. Mix completely and water becomes transparent. ऐसा सबने लिखा क्या अपनी नोटबुक में? अनय लिख रहे हो कि नहीं? सो रहे हो? Okay. Now put down and first one understood, it will dissolve. Okay, second one now. For soil. Right, for soil. 3, 2, and Palash and Ayan are out. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Anjali can answer.
Sir, the soil will not dissolve, and after 2 minutes, it will go to the bottom of the glass.
Okay. Oh, right. So what will happen? Soil, what? It settles down at the bottom. Write down. It settles down at the bottom. नहीं टाइम पास मत करो, लिखो. Settles down at the bottom. Okay, next answer. It settles down at the bottom. Chalk powder. ओमकार निवासी.
हाँ सर, आपने मुझे अनम्यूट किया.
ओमकार, चॉक पाउडर क्या होगा? आपका आवाज एकदम धीमा आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा नहीं सुन पा रहा. बोलो. हाँ, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. चॉक पाउडर का भी सॉइल की तरह ही होगा. वो भी क्या होगा? सेटल हो जाएगा नीचे, डाउन. ओके, इट विल आल्सो सेटल डाउन. करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. A spoon of milk. हाथ नीचे करो. Spoon of milk. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. ठीक है, यज्ञ, you answer.
Sir, it will dissolve.
It will dissolve, or something else will happen. Pakka it will dissolve.
Yes, sir.
Or it will mix with water. What happens? Does it dissolve or it mix? क्या होगा exactly?
सर, आप मुझे अनम्यूट क्यों कर रहे हो?
आप ऐसे हाथ उधर वैसे, इसलिए.
सर
ये 3 दांत बाहर निकाल के तुम हाथ, 3 दांत बाहर निकाल के तुम हाथ ऊपर जो कर रहे हो, इसलिए मैंने तुमको अनम्यूट किया है. ठीक है.
सर एक्चुअली यू अनम्यूटेड मी आल्सो.
क्या है वो नाम कंप्लीट कंटिन्यूअसली ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, इसलिए वो किसी का भी किसमें भी दब रहा है वो नाम.
सर mixing is with 2 liquid substances, sir. Dissolving is with solid and liquid mainly.
ओके. ओमकार ने वैसे कौन सा म्यूजिक सुन रहे हो? ठीक है. ओमकार ने
वैसे I think left. No, he's there in the meeting.
Oh, he's there. He's enjoying some music, I guess. He's doing like this. Okay. So what will happen? It will mix. Correct? It will not dissolve. Getting point. Spoon in water, what happens? It mixes. It does not dissolve. Okay. So milk and water get mixed and water becomes milky. Write that. Okay. Milk and water mix and then water becomes milky. Okay. Now next. Oil. Oil का क्या होगा? 3, 2 and 1. Omkar Nevasi raised his hand first. ठीक है, he has already answered. ये किधर गए आपने दोनों लोग? क्या नाम उनका? राजू अड़े, Rajwadi is not there, Swasti is not there, and who else is there? Okay, fine, they're all not there. I think उनका एग्जाम चल रहा है कुछ. अंजीश पराठे करेक्ट. अर्नव भी गायब हो गया ना. अर्नव भी नहीं है. ओके, आंसर.
Oil will not dissolve on water, and after 2 minutes the water will get oily.
Water will get what?
Oily.
Oily. What do you mean by that?
It will mix with it, not dissolve.
Really, it will mix? Who would like to answer?
Sir, the oil will float on the surface of water, and after 2 minutes we could see the oil like that only on the water.
Correct, right. Oil will float on the surface of water. Okay, very good. Yes, Ayan, you want to say something?
Sir, oil and water are immiscible, so they will form a separate layer when they are mixed together.
Okay, very good. They are immiscible, they will form a separate layer. Okay, good, very good. Okay, Anna, understood? Okay. ठीक है. Okay, now you got chance or no?
Yes, sir, I got chance.
Fine, ठीक है. Okay, so we'll take a break now. All of you want break or no?
Sir, only 5 minutes break, sir. It's okay. 5 minutes break.
If you don't want, then we'll continue.
Sir,
If you don't want, we'll continue. Otherwise, we can go on. Okay. Dipanshu, you sit there only, okay? Dipanshu? You're there? Dipanshu? All of you can unmute now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, break. You want break?
sir, break,
No
please.
break.
Please. Sir only takes the punch. We will take a break 5 minutes.
Right. All of you take.
Let Dipanshu sit there.
Dipanshu,
Okay.
sit there only, okay? Okay, you take break now, okay? 5 minutes.
Sir, till 8:31. Not 8:31, sir. 6:31.
Okay.
Are you want to go or not, Anay?
No.
ओके फाइन, तो कहां तक पहुंचे थे हम लोग? Till where we had reached? ओके राइट, तो आप सब लोगों ने ये कर दिया है ना? करेक्ट, ओके we had finished with the experiment, right? Now let's move ahead. Think for a while, थोड़ा सोचो बच्चों, सिर्फ बातें करने में अपना दिमाग मत वेस्ट करो. Think for a while, you know. Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, then why? Does that mean that now the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt now? What difference do you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder? Some time. Which of the two would you be able to separate from water by staining with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? Yes. सोच के आंसर देना. 3-4 क्वेश्चन है इसमें. Wait, let's give chance to Ayan this time.
Sir, when we dissolve the salt in the water, the spaces in the water, because water is little bit far apart, sir, it is not like solids. There is some space in between the water molecules, sir. The salt fills up the spaces and we cannot see it because it is within the molecules.
Okay, we cannot see it, right? Very good. Okay. Then?
Sir, but chalk powder is very big, so it cannot fit between the spaces.
Okay, fine. Chalk powder. So will it dissolve or no chalk powder? It will not dissolve, correct? Okay, fine. Water. So yeah, next then. In the water with salt and the water with chalk powder. What difference do you see in water with salt and water with chalk? Okay, fine, that's okay. Next question, which of two would you be able to separate from water by staining with the cloth? ये कौन आंसर देगा? Staining with the cloth वाला. ठीक है, चने खाने वाला आंसर देगा, चने वाला. यस
सर, सॉल्ट के मतलब सॉल्ट, जब हम सॉल्टी वाटर एक कपड़े में से स्ट्रेन करते हैं तब उस कपड़े के होल्स बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. सॉल्ट के मतलब सॉल्ट के पार्टिकल्स से छोटे होते हैं, तो सॉल्ट उधर ही रह जाता है और पर पानी उसमें से चला जाता है नीचे.
पक्का? चॉक पाउडर चले जाता है?
नहीं सर, नहीं, चॉक पाउडर रह जाता है पर बस पानी चला जाता है.
तो आप तो बोले अभी ये चले जाता है.
नहीं, मैं बोला कि बस पानी चला जाता है.
कौन सा पानी चल जाता है? बस पानी.
ओनली वाटर, प्योर वाटर.
तो रुक क्या रहा है पीछे?
चॉक पाउडर।
और नमक चले जाते हैं कपड़े के नीचे?
हाँ सर, चला जाता है वो नमक।
हाँ।
अगर हमें नमक सेपरेट करना है तो हमें इवेपोरेट करना होगा।
Okay, very good. Okay, so what will remain behind is your, not the namak, but your chalk powder will remain back, correct? Salt will go inside. Salt will not stay back. Salt will go inside. Okay. Any doubt here? Anyone has? Otherwise, we'll move ahead. खाना बंद करो भुक्कड़ की तरह, ठीक है? खाने को जैसे टाइम कभी खाने को मिला नहीं जिंदगी में, क्यों आना है? ठीक है, दीपांशु ने तो वीडियो बंद कर दिया ताकि आराम से खा सके वीडियो के पीछे, बराबर ना दीपांशु? ओके।
No, sir, I didn't take break.
Okay. Okay, good. While doing the experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. So felt that stirring it, the oil dissolved in water. Hamid did not agree. आप उसको stir करोगे तो oil dissolve होगा क्या उसमें? It will not dissolve. And I said, look, the tiny yellow drops can still be seen in the water, just like you see in the image, right? You are able to see the tiny drops. Let's wait for some time and then see. Do you think the oil got dissolved in water? What do you think? It will not dissolve, correct? Where it will remain? It will remain on the top only. कहाँ रहेगा वो ऊपर ही रहेगा क्योंकि उसका डेंसिटी तो कम है ना, because its density is less, that's why where it would remain on the top only. And by staying on the top, what would happen is that it would remain that way itself. Okay, understanding my point बच्चों, अकल के कच्चों, समझ में आई मेरी बात? ठीक है, is it clear? Any doubt anyone has? No doubts? Okay, fine, this is correct. So it will not, why? Because all those will be separate layer. Yeah, this is next one now. So what this is saying now? Correct, this is saying that racing drops. I shall put 2 drops of oil on the lid of a tiffin box. क्या किया उसने? एक लिड लिया, मतलब टिफिन बॉक्स का कवर ले लिया, ठीक है? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? कवर ले लिया टिफिन बॉक्स का, उसके ऊपर क्या किया? 2 drops of oil she put. Next to that, what is told? Next to that, she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. ठीक है? Okay. 2 drops of what? I stop playing with that pen. तो क्या बोल रहा था मैं? 2 drops of oil, 2 drops of water, and 2 drops of sugar solution. She tilted the lid. She saw that some drops slid down quickly, while some were left behind. You also try to do the same and then tell which drop went ahead. Why did it slide faster?
Sir, oily.
हाँ, कौन सा?
Sir, oily.
Sir, oily. Oily वाला slide करेगा fast, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. एक सर के ऊपर मारूंगा मैं तुमको.
सर गलत है. सर
कौन सा नीचे आएगा जल्दी? ऑयली या पानी ड्रॉप?
पानी का.
पक्का?
नहीं, ऑयली का.
पक्का? हाँ बोलो. कैसे ऑयल कैसे जाएगा?
Sir, water, because oil is thicker than water.
Sorry, sir.
ऑयल इज थिकर देन वाटर, करेक्ट. ऑयल का विस्कोसिटी ज्यादा है इसलिए ऑयल क्या धीरे से आता है.
Sorry.
करेक्ट ना? ओके. एंड वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑन द स्लेट. वाटर कैसे होगा? It will go very fast. Understandable? Is it clear? For sugar solution, it will be.
सर वो भी जाएगा मीडियम
जाएगा
स्पीड
कैसे
से.
जाएगा? कितने स्पीड से जाएगा?
मीडियम स्पीड. हाँ मीडियम. नहीं, वाटर के स्पीड से जाएगा उतना जितना था, थोड़ा सा कम उससे.
ओके. वाटर से थोड़ा, तो सबसे ज्यादा स्पीड में कौन जाएगा? वाटर जाएगा. उससे कम शुगर से उसको.
वाटर.
करेक्ट. उससे कम वाटर. अंडरस्टैंड पॉइंट्स?
आत्मजा म्यूट. अरे
क्लियर?
यस सर.
Okay. Yeah. That's what would happen. Correct, no? It would not come up downward. Oil is thick. Viscosity ज्यादा है इसलिए वो क्या आएगा? धीरे नीचे आएगा. ज्यादा जोर से नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? Now let's move ahead. Why did it slide faster? Because
सर बिकॉज वो थिक नहीं है ज्यादा.
ज्यादा थिक नहीं. डेंसिटी
The
भले
oil is thick, that is why.
ऑयल का डेंसिटी भले ही कम है लेकिन क्या है वो ज्यादा थिक है. करेक्ट. जैसे आप टूथपेस्ट को यदि डाल दोगे दीवार में तो क्या होगा? धीरे आएगा वो. हाँ. नहीं दिखेगा लेकिन धीरे से ऐसा एक लेयर आपको नीचे आते दिखेगा. करेक्ट. It will not happen fast. Okay. Clear now? Anything
Yes, sir,
any doubt
clear.
here? Any doubt?
No sir, no doubt.
No doubts.
Okay. Okay, where did the water go? Now one day what happened? Her mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forgot about it. Remembered and came back. She found very little water left behind.
Sir, can you tell why?
Where did the water go?
Sir,
it can I tell?
Sir, it evaporated.
Sir, it evaporated.
Right? What will
Changed
happen?
into water vapor and
Yes.
Very good. Water will evaporate. Right? So
sir,
this all
you are Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu.
separation of substances. Okay. How many of you like mango jellies?
Me.
Sir, I like the most. I like them.
Even I like.
I have not eaten it, sir. What is it? Sir, I hate it. I only eat say plain mango, nothing else than that.
Sir, it is very yummy.
I eat mango,
I
mango
hate-
ice cream.
What is mango jelly? I've never even
I
heard
have
of it.
eaten mango jelly.
Okay,
and
then you're
mango
missing
ice cream.
something a lot. If you have not tasted this, then
Sir, I have not even heard of it before.
your much of life is wasted.
Not only.
Mango jelly is the most popular food item.
It is one of the most.
One of the night, the most.
Funny on that.
Mango jelly
Okay.
is very popular.
So how it's made, Yeah. So water is evaporated, and then kept your mango jelly in the sun. At your house, what things are made by drying in the sun? Batao.
Sir, papad.
Kurdia. Curd.
Okay, papad.
Sir, papad.
Then
Sir, papad, kurdia, amba pori.
क्या hamba koi?
Yes, sir. The ambrus is flattened on a plate and it's dried. I have also tasted eaten amba puri.
What is that? Amba koi?
Yes, sir, Amba poi.
Yes, sir.
It is sweet.
That amrus is na.
Pole, but not
That
amba
amrus is just flattened on the plate or something, and it's put in the sun to dry, and then
Yes.
it become like a chapati. So we call it amba poi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in our house we also make ice cream by the mango.
Ice cream mango. Okay.
Mango
Sir,
ice
I've eaten mango ice cream.
Arey, who has not eaten mango ice cream?
Everybody has.
Everybody has eaten mango ice cream.
Otherwise, they
आप
like
लोगों को
it
सिर्फ
this
बोलने
time.
के लिए चाहिए, चालू हो जाते हैं सबका टेप.
No, sir.
Okay.
What are you saying? Yes.
So why they are made by drying in sun?
Papad.
नहीं. Why this mango jelly?
To evaporate the excess water.
Sir, like there is water in
What
it.
happened? What Anjali told?
Sir, it evaporates.
To evaporate the excess water.
Sir, like it is very slippery and all, and it has lots of excess water in it. So to evaporate that water, it's put in the sun, and then that water it gets evaporated, and only the mango jelly is left.
Correct. To evaporate the excess water.
And it is harder because there is less water.
It is hard. Means it crisps.
Yeah, the water concentration becomes low.
It is hard. Correct. Why? Because water is left out. Water is dried out. So you similarly make papad and so many other things. Or kurdai, right?
It is a method of preservation also, sir. To remove the water from something.
And kharodia.
Yeah.
Kharodia.
I forgot that method.
Nilika knows a lot of things.
Dehydration or something.
Okay. A lot of things are there. Correct. But generally, it does not
There are
happen.
many which we don't even know. Like many people might know, but we don't know.
Okay. Correct. Right? We do it like that. So many things will boil also in water. Correct, no?
Yes.
What all things will boil? Correct.
Sir, egg. Sorry.
Egg is boiled.
Water. Milk, water. Oil.
Tea.
Today morning I was boiling something.
Sir, any liquid.
Coffee, sir.
Any liquid.
Sir, dal.
Okay, dal.
Like when you boil it for the dinner and it's made in the morning for lunch. Sorry, in the afternoon for lunch. And then you boil it for the dinner and eat it.
The same dal you eat for 3 times, huh?
We don't eat like that.
No, sir. Sometimes we eat it 2 times. When Mama
We
is not
eat it
cooked
only
dinner,
only.
she just puts rice and then we take the rice in morning. Then we heat it up and eat it.
We don't do that anytime.
We do that every time. Means not every time.
Okay, stop.
We do not do it.
आने तुमको कमेंट मारने के लिए रखा है इधर. कमेंट मारने के लिए बैठा है तुमको. बराबर ना? ठीक है. So I was just remembering today morning I was boiling something. These potatoes and gajar and Shimla mirch I was boiling, and also tomatoes I boiled. Right. Generally now many times I like to cook. I can cook for 20 by 30 people at one time. Right.
That is very good, sir.
Sir, I hate
very
cooking.
Nice quality.
I hate cooking.
Sir, I also love cooking and my father also loves it. But the problem
I
is
hate
he has
cooking.
so much office work that he doesn't get time to cook.
Right.
I hate cooking.
So he cooks on Sundays when he has holiday.
Okay, good. Yajna also loves cooking.
Sir, cooking is a very nice quality. Like I sometimes observe my mother doing it, and sometimes help my mother to do it. Like she lists down the steps, then sometimes I make the thing on my own. Like if it's not
Dipanshu makes poha.
Oh, is it, huh?
okay, very good. Yes, sir, I make.
Good, nice. You should learn to make something or the other.
I'm good at nimbu sarbat.
Sir, I'm very good at
make
limbu
it.
sarbat. I can make poha,
I'm better than
then chapati, then perhaps some other things as well.
Sir, I can make
Sandwich.
Maggie.
Sir, I can make chapati, Maggie, omelette. Then I could make potato sabji. Then I can make dal. All the 2 types of dal. Then I can make singadandi chutney.
Sir, I
And
can make bhendi, paneer, omelette, Maggie.
I can make all the types of dosas.
Okay, wait.
Ruko.
Anything like that.
Ruko.
I can only pour milk into its cup. That's all.
कौन से आइटम अच्छे लगते हैं वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं तुमसे.
Poha.
Sir, I like pav bhaji most.
Sir, I like करेले की सब्जी.
I like
Chicken, paneer.
Sir,
शांत चुप बैठो अभी. I'm not asking which items you like. Okay. What do you... Okay, fine. So we are just almost done with this. So why this is kept in sun? Because all the excess water will go out from here. Correct? Nothing will remain back. Everything will flow out. Okay. And now last is that we'll see. Correct. Everyone might be knowing this about the Dandi March. Have you heard this? Of Dandi March? No one has heard? Okay, you can speak now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
no.
Sir, I have heard. It was done by Gandhiji.
Yes, sir, actually I've heard.
We learnt about
Sir,
it in
Gandhiji took
SSC.
it. Sir, Gandhiji went and
Yes, sir, actually.
he collected all the salt with many other people.
Yes, I know Dandi Marathon.
Sir, we know Dandi Halda, but we don't know Dandi March.
Okay. So Dandi is what, it's a place in Gujarat, somewhere in Gujarat. What it did took place in 1930 before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. Right? They have also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said. How can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, a long walk from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? The seawater is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sand.
I've seen this.
After the water dries, the salt remains
Sir, I've seen this.
ground. तो मैंने आपको एक
Sir, you
वीडियो याद है इसके
Sir,
पहले?
you saw, yes, sir, you showed it to us in class.
Correct, na? We had seen somewhere. Where we had seen?
Sir, like that water is collected there, then the water evaporates. And then
Sir, I think we saw in the method of separation
Sir,
lesson.
the salt pyramid.
Correct, right. We saw it in the method of separation lecture, correct. Okay, good. All of you remember that. I was thinking I will show you that video, but yes, all of you had already seen that video. Right, no? But how water is collected in the seashores and
Sir, you can show it again.
small compartments, and then it again goes up. Okay, so that already you know, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
You know that already. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. Any doubts anyone has?
No.
No, sir.
Fine. Let's have a look. Just a minute.
What is design?
So what restaurants right now carry your salt?
We sell to
11 Madison Park. Down.
Okay.
Or we cannot see.
Okay, wait.
पर 15 मिनट बचे हैं हमारे क्लास को. सर आप आपने क्विज कितना क्वेश्चंस का लिया है?
एक क्वेश्चन का.
एक.
The question is that can Anay keep quiet for less than 1 second? Or can Ayan keep quiet for less than 1 second?
Please stop chatting. Stop talking.
Okay. So we'll see it very short. I'll not show you whole thing. You can see very shortly. Okay. Is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So what are they doing to that salt?
Or is he making a design?
No.
Why is it like this then? Like a railway track?
Wait now. You see what it does.
Oh, the water evaporates faster.
Oh, huh.
Sir, I saw this in action.
Is it now? Good.
Yes, sir, at Pondicherry or at Mahabalipuram. I don't remember. Somewhere in Tamil Nadu we went for it.
For 1 second, someone is at my house's door.
Actually, water may be dirty, and that's why they might be doing.
Sir, what are they doing?
Trying to separate it dirty water like that.
Sir, is there a difference between the two instruments? Sorry, utensils.
Which one is what?
Utensils we use in a kitchen.
Sorry. Sorry.
We got the point.
Tools.
Yeah, we got the point.
I did not got the word.
See what he is doing now. He's collecting the salt at that place. And behind here, somewhere here is collecting the salt. So see, he is bringing like that.
सर वो अंदर जाके आराम से क्यों नहीं कर रहा?
And I will take that will take 1 hour, 2 hours.
वो सॉल्ट पर खड़ा है.
Anay, can you stop talking for 5 minutes?
ऐसा ही होता है, सॉल्ट पे खड़े रहते हैं वो लोग.
I'm not going to eat salt.
Please stop talking.
अरे what's
Stop talking, Anay.
Mute and then talk.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So don't worry, this is further purified in the industry. Correct. ऐसा कैसे directly नहीं आता है. And then it is washed with water also. Correct. This is not dirty water.
How is it purified?
Correct. It's further washed also.
I think it is dissolved in
Sir,
water.
wait.
Again,
Someone
it
is on my
evaporated.
doorstep.
There is a lot of salt.
Correct. Okay, so you clear.
Actually, this is not enough, Palash.
Yeah, but just
They
for
are doing
that
it
much,
everywhere.
just for that much, it is too much. No, it is big, no? That much amount.
Yes.
People do it all across the world. It is a lot, Ayan.
Yes, I know, but
So he has collected a lot of salt already.
Sir, there is more salt under the water.
Do this much salt multiplied by 2 or 3 billion.
How many?
Not 2 or 3 billion, like more.
Yeah, perhaps more.
way more
One
than that.
But my point is, people
More
are
than
doing
one
it all
crore.
across the world. So it is frozen on the man's feet.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Sir, are you there?
Yes.
We cannot.
Sir, NaCl is for sodium, salt, right?
Yay!
ठीक है, लॉग इन करो फटाफट. हो गया अभी इसका, निकाल लिया उसने पूरा सॉल्ट.
Sir, how did the quiz finish?
हाँ.
Sir, how did this quiz finish?
It comes every time.
समझे क्या?
Sir, Dipanshu Mane speaking. I have joined.
ठीक है, अब मैं कहाँ पर थे हम लोग?
I have also joined.
कितने 9
सर
लोग?
मैं हूँ क्या? सर रुको, मैं भी ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ.
Can you please wait 1 second? I want to do.
सर वेट, प्लीज
Sir,
वेट ना.
is not started yet.
सर प्लीज वेट.
Do you
is
even
not
remember
started.
the screen?
थैंक यू सर. हाँ यस. सर डोंट स्टार्ट.
इन लोग कौन बात
There are
कर?
6, 7 people.
सर वेट, सर वेट, सर वेट.
25.
Array, sir, is not started. You joined though.
अरे यस, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग.
ओके, आई एम स्टार्टिंग.
रुको सर. रुको सर, रुको. हाँ अब कर दो.
Array, और
कौन बाकी है? जिसका नहीं हुआ है वो स्क्रीन पे देख के सॉल्व करो, ठीक है? Who is not come yet?
Sir, please wait. Sir, it is showing that I have to put my email address and everything again.
Who?
Sir, Dipanshu.
Okay, you solve on screen only now. You don't have that much time. I'm starting. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you solve on the screen, okay? Dipanshu.
Dipanshu.
Did it happen, Dipanshu?
Sir, you can.
What, sir? Sir, no. Sir, 1 second, I'm calling my mother to put the password.
हाँ bye.
Okay, call fast.
Fast, Dipanshu. You are good at typing, na? Fast. What is? Sir, why is the topic name experiments with water?
Anay, stop talking, Ray.
Arey, you stop talking, so I'll stop talking.
Okay, Anna, I'll ask you a question. Why your 3 kids are outside?
What? What, sir?
Okay, I'm starting. Okay, Divanshu, I'm starting. Okay, you see on the screen. Okay.
Sir, late night. Sir, sir, how do we means late night? How do we?
When there is no sun, at that time you water.
Yeah, but sir.
Right now only you told us this, so it should be easy for everyone.
ये किसका गलत हो तो उसको बहुत मारूंगा मैं. 500 ग्राम किसने लगा?
So not me.
Good. Witness fast.
I gave the wrong answer.
Sir, what I heard?
Sir, your screen is hanged.
Ayan, get a wrong for me, please.
Never Palash.
Why? I will go ahead now.
No, sir.
Congrats, Yadnyo.
No, sir.
Congrats, Yadnya.
I misclicked.
Good, good. Yajna is the topper this time. Congratulations, Yajna.
No, sir. I misclicked it.
Thank you, Anaya.
No.
Yes. ठीक है, good.
Sir, I answered in 44 seconds.
Least time. Okay, good. Good, good. So all the best to all of you. Great. So in this way, we have finished almost all of our syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much. We'll end now.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.